till they go to the moon. Spent half an eighth, I got 1,000,000 coins like the real McCoy. You know I feel that joy, cause if it goes to a buck I won't believe my luck. And now 10 on my Lambos for me and my friends. Reading fortune, I just got the news. I can be a millionaire too. Check the OP, what did he do? Gas in his bag till they go to the moon. Spent half an eighth, I got 1,000,000 coins like the real McCoy. You know I feel that joy, cause if it goes to a buck I won't believe my luck. And now 10 on my Lambos for me and my friends.
Okay, what's up guys? So, you guys know of Bitconnect obviously, and now the new ICO Bitconnect X coming out. Actually, there's 3 days until that one, but we have a new ICO to share with you, Rippleconnect. What? Rippleconnect? Yes, Rippleconnect. And there's probably not a better time for them to have this ICO. And it's created by early investors of Bitconnect. So, not Bitconnect itself, but some early investors and contributors and basically people that helped create Bitconnect financially. So they're doing another one. They're helping create Rippleconnect financially. And if it goes along the same lines, it should be good. There's also Ethconnect. I tested out that platform, not happy with it whatsoever. And I think Ethconnect was created by a total different team. It's in Japan. So people that really don't know what they're doing. At least this Rippleconnect is created by people that were in the early stages of Bitconnect and probably learned a lot about how to create a platform, a lending platform that works properly. So let's check that out right now. So you can see here I have Bitconnect X. This one I am going hard on. I'm dropping $500,000 into this one. Yeah, that's going hard for me. I'm very cheap with my money. But yeah, this one I'm probably putting the most I'm going to invest in ICOs this year. For one ICO, it's probably going to be Bitconnect. So I might invest that much in a couple other ICOs, but not very many. There'll probably be like 3 or 4 ICOs that stand out to me as opportunities like Bitconnect X do. And I haven't really went over Rippleconnect yet. I'm going to do that with you live. So I tested out this Ethconnect, whatever you want to call it. So over a month ago, I put 0.01 Bitcoin, if I remember correctly, and it still has never really arrived. And I've been checking in and trying to figure this out. And so if you go into my wallet here, into Bitcoin, so what I did was I copied this address, sent Bitcoin, and then it never showed up. So what I did is, it says down here, don't receive your deposit. I clicked that, grabbed my transaction ID from the exchange I sent it from, put it in, and then it did find the transaction, but still the 0.01 Bitcoin is, the transaction is confirmed, 5,400 confirmations, but we still see no Bitcoin balance here. So it's very crude, this platform. It has a lot of bugs, and they still haven't fixed this. They said they were going to do their internal exchange December 20th. That's still not here. It just says expired left, whatever the hell that means. So these guys keep delaying, not following through with their promises. So I think they've ruined a lot of people's confidence in this platform. That's why you don't find my referral link for it down below. I'm not going to promote this platform to you guys if I don't see it as having potential, at least not at the time being. You know, the ICO you might have been able to make money on, but when the internal exchange and stuff is not working, I don't know how you get your money out, but I think Reddit has a lot of people on there that have been through this. If you're having issues, maybe go to Reddit and figure that out, because some people seem to be having success with this platform on Reddit. They also have a lending, their lending open now, but no exchange where you can buy Ethconnect. This is really only for the people that invested in the ICO. So they just copied Bitconnect, and I don't like that. So let's look over to XRPConnect and see if it is any better. So this is one of the ICO pages. So buy the Bitconnect early investors. Best offer, hurry up before January 15th. So it ends on January 15th, if I remember correctly. The total supply is 10 million XRPC. The crowd sale supply is 9,650,000 XRPC. So they're really not giving themselves any Ripple. This is amazing, and they don't have 100 billion supply like Ripple. So these coins right now, you can buy them for less than you can Ripple, but they're actually worth a lot more due to the limited supply of these coins. So the start date, is January 15th, 2018. So right now we're in pre-ICO, pre-sale round 2. And we'll go to the website in a second here. These are the specs, I guess, if you will. 18 decimal places. Token ticker XRPC. Token name XRPConnect. ICO duration 90 days, and but it's already been open for the pre-sale. And they're asking you to use my Ether wallet or MetaMask for this. And you can see right here. Do your own research before you invest in this, though. I don't know everything. Like I said, I'm just learning as I go with you. So right here, you can see for 2 ETH, you get 1,814 plus 1,500 bonus. So a total of 3,314 XRPC for 2 ETH. That's pretty good. So you can get, for under an ETH, you can get 1,000 of these, and they should be able to make you a lot of money. Let's look into some of the information and look a little bit deeper. Let's do some digging. See what we can find out. So nitrocharged XRP token, and I do agree with that. Their low supply means they're not trying to make a lot of money off of it themselves. They're not holding any tokens. So yeah, this is really investors creating a business, creating a platform that can make them money in the long run, taking small amounts from this lending, I guess. They're not really holding any XRPC like we saw with Ripple. The co-founder has 30% or a third of the Ripple. Here, they're only keeping 350,000 XRPC, and that's probably going to developing the website, the ICO, and things like that. Or for early investors is probably what it is. Those tokens go to the investors that invested in this platform and website and ICO. And then them selling these tokens for the crowd sale is going to help fund the platform itself. But I'm not sure about this. Like, anything could happen, right? We've seen that before. It's not easy to run a lending platform. things can happen. You make mistakes. There's bugs. There's hiccups, and but these guys look like they have good intentions. But we'll have to see. A unique token with a max supply of 100 million coins, not 100 billion. We believe that generating too much tokens is not a solution for a profitable investment in the midterm, but the problem is that many investors have bought XRP with a lack of knowledge. We therefore limited our total amount to 100 million XRPC tokens. At the time, we focus on developing a blockchain era bank, which can be the place to store financial services corresponding to the current communications of banks and other financial institutions. By the way, guys, I saw this on an ICO list website the other day and decided to look into it and do a review of it today. So I really hadn't. This is my second time coming across it, so it's not like, you know, it's just. It's not like it's not known about. It is known about here and there if you do some digging. It's not on every ICO website, but you will find it. And this is one of the questions. I might send them an email or a message here. You can send them a message. One of the questions I want to ask is why more people don't know about it? Are they doing this on purpose? Do they want a limited crowd sale and then do some marketing after for the actual platform itself, or did they try their best to market it and it's just not catching on? Dedicated wallet. As an ERC20 token, a simple wallet Ethereum would suffice, but we are currently developing a wallet dedicated to XRPC to exchange directly with the XRPC platform for faster and instantaneous exchanges. Your wallet will also allow you to make savings deposits safely. Compatibility with the wallet Trezor Nano Ledger is also planned. This is good. And so here we have it. It's an ERC20 token. So really, they're probably going to do what Ethconnect was trying to do, but do a better job at it. We created and that's the problem with Ethconnect. When they raise so much money in the ICO, they're going to be distracted a little bit with all that money. So they're not going to be, their priority isn't going to be creating a good platform, because they've already taken everyone's money. They don't need to follow through now. With this, it looks like the other way around. They're trying to not raise a lot of money in the ICO and then have a good product, have a good platform. So secure deposits on a new generation platform. We created the XRPC Exchange platform. You can deposit /exchange XRPC to Ethereum directly with no central organization involved. XRPC Exchange allows members to buy and sell XRPC coin directly to and from each other. So they have already, they said, we created. So no, it's not like Ethconnect where they created it afterwards. They've already created this, which is good news. So we can read the right white paper. It's secure, decentralized, and transparent. Yes, we're obviously going to check out the white paper a little bit. Can't get much deeper digging than that. XRPC token, technical specs, Ethereum blockchain, proof of work / proof of stake, XRPC, XRPConnect, total supply 100 million, and Etherscan verified. How XRP holders make money. This is what we want to know. Lending program, coin staking, trading, and affiliate program. Typical lending platform. ICO exchanges, investor. ICO / exchanges, investor purchases XRPC, and then they can stake, trade, lend, or promote and earn affiliate dollars for helping share what they're doing with their XRPC token. 2 wallets recommended: MetaMask and MyEther. So their lending program, investors buy tokens during ICO. XRPConnect arbitrage platform. So they have an arbitrage platform. Interesting. Profits. Proud investor. Profits from speculation. Proud investor. So the arbitrage platform is probably how the lending, how when you lend them tokens, they're going to do arbitrage with it for the most part. I haven't seen a trading bot or anything like that yet. Monthly interest rate up to 45%. And that can totally be done. Live arbitrage performances. So this is how it will look. And 1.62% a day. This is good. This is, looks a lot better than Bitconnect's returns. Because they probably realize that Bitconnect is taking a lot of the returns for themselves, right? And they're trying to create a platform that gives you more returns, it seems. They're doing the same type of lending periods, it looks like. Actually, yeah, I guess that's about the same. Yep. About the same. There's a 25,000 instead of 10,000, which is interesting. I think that's the only difference, is instead of going from, actually no, it's 5,000 to 10,000. So they have an extra level in here. 300 days. Right, that's 8 months, 6 months. Not quite. That's 6 months. So that's 7 months. So that's how they did it. They have an extra period, 7 months here. So you have to really to get it back in, what's that, 3 months? It's pretty good. You have to lend up above 25,000. So that's good for the platform, because people are incentivized to lend and buy big amounts of XRPC and lock it into the platform, making the price of XRPC go up. This might be worth just buying and holding the XRPC or staking it. I don't really agree with these lending platforms, especially when you're lending for this amount of time, so I probably won't be doing that. But they also have the daily interest boost here, extra interest. They have their staking coin profit first year 10% per month. That's pretty good, guys. That's 100% per over 100% per year. I don't mind that. I'll be staking these coins if I participate in this ICO. Here's the roadmap. ICO launched at the end of 2017. A dedicated wallet launch around now. Decentralized exchange in the third quarter of 2018. So this is when they're going to do the arbitrage and lending. So you have, about a few months here, because really they are investors. They're investing. They're putting their money up, but they don't necessarily have a lot of technical knowledge, so they'll have to be hiring people for this. So it's understandable why it might take a little bit longer to get this platform up and running, especially when, the end of the first quarter is when they're going to have the money to build the platform. So all of the second quarter, they're going to be building it and then launching it the third quarter. And then hardware wallets compatibility, Trezor, Ledger, and Nano. That's amazing. This is key right here, the Trezor and Ledger integration. And then the 2019 marketing expansion to promote XRPC usage. So this is really when you're going to see it take off. It'll take off here too, because people will be promoting it on social media, YouTube and stuff because of the affiliate platform. So it will get known. And then you can hold your tokens, stake them, lend them, and then they'll be worth a lot at the end of 2009 or in 2019. They'll be worth a lot more. Advanced banking protocol, very cool. They're doing something different, that's for sure. These two things are what I see different that they're doing: hardware wallets compatible and advanced banking protocol. So they're going to bank the unbanked. And with XRP, it makes sense that they're, doing more of a banking scenario. Affiliate program here, 5 is 9%. Pretty good. 4 is 5%, so like 10%. Level 1 is 1%. Gold affiliate boost, more details soon. So they'll have an affiliate booster. Once you, and that'll be those free. It'll probably be free tokens when you get so many. So every maybe 10 people you bring into the platform, you get 1,000 XRPC tokens or something. We'll see. So level 1, 6% affiliate bonus, silver affiliate boost. We offer special bonus rates for leaders and promoters. Please contact us by email. So this is interesting. ICO affiliate. This is the ICO affiliate bonus. So they do have affiliate program for the ICO as well. So if you want to make a video, talk about it on social media, you can probably, we'll look for that before the end of the video, see if we can find a link. I haven't signed up for it yet, so let's see here. This is probably how you do it. Join us down here. So here's Q&A. FAQ. About us, XRPConnect has been created by the early investors of Bitconnect and bankers from major financial institutions based in France and Singapore. Very cool. I like to see this because Singapore is a haven for these fintech companies, and really they help. They give a good environment for these companies to thrive. There's no regulations. They're actually encouraging people to move there and create these type of businesses there. And so it's nice to see it's based out of Singapore. Based on the analysis, we've built a tech and financial team to create a blockchain platform to make worldwide financial transactions faster, cheaper, and more reliable. So this is what they're trying to do. Their banking platform or whatever they're trying to do will make worldwide financial transactions faster, cheaper, and more reliable. What is the max supply of 100 million coins? Why is it 100 million and not 100 billion, or 10 million and not 100 billion? Ooh, that's a big difference. So these coins are going to be worth a lot more per coin. We believe that generating too much tokens is not a solution. The problem is many investors have bought Ripple with a lack of knowledge. I think did we go over some of this? What is decentralized lending platform with trust and privacy? You can invest XRPC token in XRPC decentralized lending platform exclusively from the XRPC dashboard. This investment option involves profiting from XRPC trading bot and volatility software. So they do have volatility software and a trading bot. You will receive daily profit based on your investment option. Upon investment term completion, you will receive your capital back to take out from the XRPC lending platform, or optionally reinvest back in lending platform to continue receiving daily profit. So far I'm liking this. I'm leaning towards investing and contributing, but we'll see. I have to look at the team and everything still. Question: what is secured deposits on a new generation platform? A, we created the XRPC Exchange platform. You can deposit, exchange XRPC to Ethereum directly with no central organization involved. XRPC Exchange allows members to buy, sell XRPC coin directly to and from each other. Am I required to reveal my identity to register on the platform? No. I love seeing this. I love seeing that. I always like investing in platforms like this. It probably has something to do with the fact that they're not based in the US, they're based in Singapore. XRPConnect members can choose whether to specify their real name on public profile or remain known as a pseudonym. If you wish to use your authentic name and verify your identity with XRPConnect system, that would be more desirable. When you stand behind your XRPConnect activity with an authentic name, our community is more accountable overall. So if you're going to be a huge promoter and stuff, you might want to connect your name to it, just to show that you're not hiding anything. When can I sign up or register with XRPConnect? I knew that was going to happen. Join our affiliate network. So that's the white paper. Yeah, we already got join the affiliate network over here, and they sent me a message. Happy New Year. The best is to come for every investor. Invest 2 ETH, get. We'll see if it's a minimum of 2 ETH, but we'll see. Let me know by chat if you want this special offer. Pre-ICO. Oh, it's for the pre-ICO. You have to invest 2 ETH. We'll see. So we have a consultant here right now if you want to chat with him. I'm not sure if anyone's I guess you can go ask them yourself if you have a question. If you do ask a question or get any info, put it in the comments of this video and help us out. We'd like to gather as much info on this as we can, and I'll probably do that myself. Ask them some questions after. So you can get the banner for being an affiliate. So this is for the ICO. So we can get a banner here for websites. Not a lot of people know about this, so it'd be a good one to promote because it's not like, people are already invested in it. More than likely they're not. Bitconnect, there's not a lot of reasons to be promoting that, because if people wanted to get in on it, they probably would have already gotten in on it. Whereas these new ones are better opportunities to promote. So when can I sign up or register? The platform will be released on February 2018, but registration will be open just after the ICO. So that's for the lending platform, February 2018. So the platform is released in February. And look at this, project by the BCC early investors. They even use the Bitconnect logo, so they must have some sort of credibility within the Bitconnect platform, or at least can credit themselves by helping create Bitconnect. So the current price is $1.13. Very, very conservative, considering it's only 10 million. Ripple is worth more than that, and there's a 10 or 100 billion Ripple supply, so you can probably guess that this is going to be worth at least $100. And I don't know about us. Roadmap. We saw the roadmap. Wallet. Let's see here what we can find about us. We already read that. So there's not much of a team. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. This is one of those ones that would I'd have to find out some more info on if I was going to put my money into, or at least contact them and ask them about their team and stuff like that. Think about what questions could separate a scam from a legit company. What questions and answers would be the best to be able to separate this from a real legit company from a scam. And we're going to get together some questions, and we're also going to get together a rating system for these ICOs, since we're going to put a lot of effort into doing some ICO reviews and stuff over the next year. A new protocol to serve and optimize bank transactions. So this is their white paper. Maybe we can find out more here. Why XRPC? We already saw that. For businesses, XRPConnect will improve cash flow by extending financials to handle payment processes for future payments based on cash flow history and expected payments. For individuals, XRPConnect will solve the problem which the customer saving does not keep up to the inflation by creating an account helping automatically correct in line with the inflation. So they've sought to collaborate with many banks to perform remittance on a variety of conditions without the need for intermediary between countries. XRP Problems. Why many XRP investors are disappointed. Obviously the 100 billion supply. It's such a ridiculous amount of coins, and we see that the creator of XRPC that has 30% of these, 34%, he's now the richest man in the world, or at least he was for a little bit there until Coinbase announced that they will not be releasing any new coins. But I think they're just trying to throw off the public so that people aren't insider trading, so there's not a huge pump and dump of Ripple. In the best case, one XRP can reach the value of $10 per token by 2020. XRP was not designed for volatility. Many investors want a high return on interest cryptocurrency, not a crypto stuck in limbo. Very true. So Ripple was designed to maintain value and not be volatile, right? So it can't have a huge, fast return on interest either. We generate only 100 million XRPC in total, no more. These are solutions. We have many products in our ecosystem to grow the XRPC value and make efficient protocol for banks. So really, they're making a protocol for banks as well. Interesting. Supercharged XRP Token. Make our investors proud. XRP price stuck in limbo at 22 cents. It's time to change. So they created this when it was stuck in limbo still, XRP. So now that it is raised in value, that makes this platform and this idea worth even more. And I'm surprised people aren't talking about this platform more due to the fact that Ripple is really what people are talking about right now. Ripple is in all of the headlines. All big news media corporations, companies are talking about Ripple right now. And nobody's really talking about this better version. And that's usually how things work. People don't talk about something that has potential until it's already made people a lot of money. So you want to look at and find things that nobody's talking about that has potential. Our mission: make every effort to ensure high return on interest after our ICO. And it seems like that really they're focused on after the ICO. We will be able to count on our efficient loan system and our robot trader. Our teams will make every effort to promote our ecosystem. And I like how it's in Singapore. Very, very legit. Our vision: by combining a small amount of available tokens with a formidable marketing team and innovative products. Basically, Singapore is the Silicon Valley for cryptocurrencies, in my opinion. We want to give a new chance to all XRP investors disappointed. David, CEO of XRPConnect. So here we have at least the CEO's name. See if we can find anything more. Might have to go to their social media, I'm not sure. Roadmap we saw. So they're going to have an offline wallet, a decentralized dashboard to lend XRPC. So decentralized, peer-to-peer, no middleman. They're not going to be taking, they might take a small fee for creating the platform and the dashboard. A decentralized exchange to manage all your ERC20 tokens. Boom, that's insane because Bitfinex created Bitfinex, and it's for this. This is basically what it is. It's a decentralized exchange to manage all ERC20 tokens. And we even see, I was looking at an ICO the other day, EXMR, Monero on the Ethereum blockchain. And I thought that was the biggest ripoff and scam because one Monero right now is worth 1 ETH or over 1 ETH, and that's ridiculous. 1 Monero, Ethereum Monero, is worth, they're trying to sell in the ICO for basically $1,000. That's insane. That reminds me of like the Zcash ICO, and where they gave it way too high of a valuation. Or took way too much money, and the value went down in time drastically. A wallet to keep your money safe. Okay, they also have a special bot to trade XRPC and grow its value. Our trading bot is so smart it combines AI and fundamental trading analysis, constantly monitored by our AI team engineers. So kind of like the Ficoin ICO we just reviewed. But I gotta say, I like the Ficoin a little bit more. It gives you more information. I did forget to look at the team on that review, and maybe we'll look at the team before the ICO's over. Worldwide active marketing dedicated teams. So they have dedicated marketing teams in these places. Hey, they're probably being honest here because there's not, markers all over the place. Compare XRPConnect, Bitconnect, max supply 28 million, XRPConnect 10 million, ETHConnect 31 million. ETHConnect gets an X. ETHConnect risk is very high. Bitconnect risk is very low, and I'd say this is in the middle. So, because we don't know a lot about XRPConnect yet. Bitconnect has proven its legitimacy and gained our trust, whereas ETHConnect has destroyed our trust. The ICO start price, Bitconnect was 8 cents, 23 cents, 23 cents, and then 50 cents for ETHConnect. So, I could see this XRPConnect going to $5, $10, even $100. So it's going to be a good opportunity. If you got in on ETHConnect ICO, or you wanted to and you missed out, this is probably the next best or better opportunity for you. Because look at the amount and the price difference. Algorithm, proof of work, proof of stake, airdrop. No, yes. XRPConnect has airdrop. Very cool. Trade like a pro. Decentralized exchange overview. We will use Civic as an auth system. No use of third-party plugin anymore. Wow, so they're using Civic for their decentralized exchange. Pretty cool. And I like the way it looks. It looks almost exactly like Bitconnect. Wow. So basically what they did, see, they haven't really built the platform yet, so they probably just took Bitconnect, changed things around, the color scheme and the names of each button. Fast exchange, ERC20 and non-ERC20 tokens. So they are going to put non-ERC20 tokens on their exchange as well. Manage all your cryptos in the same place. Safety, wouldn't that be nice to manage all of our cryptos in the same place? We'll see. And you know, Bitconnect is having an ICO for their exchange, doing basically the same thing that Ripple Connect is saying they're going to do. So we didn't have anyone logged in earlier for chat. Now we do. Direct deposit from into your wallet. So wow, direct deposit. This means that direct deposit. Does this mean that, you know, you can set it up ahead of time so that when you get lending interest, it can go to the wallet you specify? That would be nice. Lending platform overview: earn up to 5% per day by lending your money. Up to 5% per day? What the hell? That's insane. Buy Bitconnect or ETH. Alerts: desktop level interface, margin trading. Margin trading? What? I guess because they're going to have an exchange, they're going to have margin trading. Don't hesitate. We answer all of your questions. Talk groups. So they have a Skype right here. They have a Telegram. This is good. Let's Skype them. Maybe we'll come back on and Skype them. Links. So XRPConnect.co, Facebook, and Twitter. So I'm going to try to contact them and get some more information. When I do, I will update you guys and let you know what I found.
Cashing out for you was tether, a craft ship shape as she sails through stormy weather.